Hey guys, welcome to another status of my Milo app, which is a to-do list, which will be rolling out soon. So today I worked on the calendar, so let's see that. It's not yet connected to the database or anything, but I fixed the styles. They are now way better than before. So that's that one. There's the Eisenhower Matrix, which I fixed, so now it's working fine. Yeah, perfectly fine. There's also the Pomodoro. So I added the list of users' tasks here as it's in TickTick, and here I still have to fix the Pomodoro calendar as it's also on TickTick. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't work. Currently it's 8:26, but the red line is here at over 9 p.m. So that's it. And also I added the keyboard shortcuts. So for example, I hold the command on my keyboard and I see the shortcuts here. So I go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, I think for today that's it. Yeah, tomorrow I will try to make finally the tasks more beautiful. I will fix the calendar, so finally you will be able to click on a specific date and add your tasks from there. And yeah, the Pomodoro, and then other stuff like habits will be also fixed. So yeah, I think for now that's it. So thank you.